Welcome to today's video where we dive into the best Spaceship Invest automatic deposit approach. Spaceship Invest offers a seamless way to grow your wealth through automated investing. The core idea is to set up regular contributions that happen automatically, taking the emotion out of investing and helping you stick to a consistent plan. By committing a small amount consistently, even as low as $50 per week, you allow compounding to work in your favor over time. The first step is to link your bank account to your Spaceship Invest profile. Once linked, you can set up automatic deposits on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly schedule. This eliminates the need to remember to invest manually and ensures that your money is continuously working for you. Consistency is key, and automatic deposits are the most effective way to maintain it. Spaceship Invest also allows you to choose between different portfolios based on your risk preference. Whether it's the space-themed universe portfolio with higher growth potential or the more conservative index portfolio, automatic deposits ensure your chosen portfolio grows steadily without requiring active management. Investing even modest amounts like $100 per month can lead to substantial growth over the years due to compounding returns. Another benefit of the automatic deposit approach is dollar-cost averaging. By investing the same amount regularly, you naturally buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, reducing the impact of market volatility. This disciplined strategy has proven effective for long-term wealth building. Finally, Spaceship Invest offers transparency and easy tracking. You can monitor your portfolio performance in real time, see how much has been invested, and track returns without lifting a finger. This hands-off approach allows you to focus on other priorities while your investments grow automatically. Setting up automatic deposits with Spaceship Invest is simple, efficient, and a proven strategy for consistent wealth growth. Start today and let compounding work in your favor.